Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to amplify your music experience? Let's quickly pair your phone with your Bose SoundLink Flex. Note that you can use the Bose speaker without the Bose Connect app by simply connecting it via Bluetooth. However, in this case, you will not be able to fully realize the potential of your device using features such as the auto-off timer. If you want to get the most out of it, install the app and connect your speaker through it. We will show you both pairing methods and you can choose what suits you. Method 1. Pairing via Bluetooth settings. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. You can find this in the settings menu under Connections or Bluetooth. Press the Bluetooth button on your Bose SoundLink Flex. The Bluetooth indicator will blink, showing it's in pairing mode. On your phone, look for Bose SoundLink Flex in the list of available devices and tap on it. If prompted, confirm the pairing on your phone. You might hear a tone from the speaker indicating a successful connection. Method 2. Using the Bose Connect app. Install the Bose Connect app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Launch the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. The app will automatically try to find and connect to your Bose SoundLink Flex once you open it. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on and the speaker is in pairing mode. Choose the speaker name in the Bluetooth settings of your phone to connect. Once paired, use the app to customize settings like auto-off timer, language, or manage device connections. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Bose SoundLink Flex in the playlist linked in the description below.